Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the melting work transition effect in CapCut PC. So import your photos or videos you like to edit, and for example, I'm going to add some images to the track. Right, and I set it the duration in 2 seconds for one clip, and I'm going to add the transition. So on trending you can find the melting work 2 or melting work, and I'm going to select the melting work 2. So this is for transition effect, and you have to join properties to be able to use this effect. Just add the track. Okay, and just for duration 1 second. You can apply it to all the clip, and you can see the result. All right, and add effect you like, for example. All right, you can add audio, text, sticker, and anything you like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.